Hello. I'll be introducing to you the Minus40 hydraulic trolley. As you can see, it's fully designed and manufactured by Minus40 here in South Africa. As you can see, this is an hydraulic trolley, and then with a jack that can lift and lower the trolley. And then I'll show you how to use it, also how to maintain it. In terms of maintenance, there's not much. You must just make sure to check regularly for all leak, and then also check the caster wheels that you have, check that they are also in good condition, the braking mechanism and everything. Make sure that everything is in order before you use. Also, we have a safety latch that we use here to hold the body tray. So we have the hydraulic trolley, we also have the body tray. So the body tray does slide on the mortuary lifting trolley, so you can move it back and forth. And then you also have some protective corner here just to protect the lifting trolley when you're moving it around the mortuary facility, so that it does not damage the corner of your product. And then the next thing that I'll show you is how to use it. So there's also, for use it, it's very simple. So you must always make sure that you first follow the basic safety instructions. So which are, the first one, use the mortuary trolley exclusively inside the mortuary facility. And the next thing that you do, you must make sure that the surface where you use the mortuary trolley need to be flat and clean as well, because we have caster wheels, and then you don't want to be use them on any rough surface. The next thing you must make sure to check is the lighting inside the facility. Make sure there's proper lighting inside your mortuary facility. And then the next thing that you have to make sure also is you must always wear protective equipment as required in any mortuary facility, and make sure that you wear your recommended protective equipment. And the next thing that you must make sure, if there's any damaged part, you must make sure that it's replaced and it's fixed properly before you can use the mortuary, the Minus40 mortuary lifting trolley. I'll show you a demo on how to use the mortuary trolley. So you have to make sure that the latch is engaged so that you can secure your lifting, your body tray. And the next thing you have to do, you have to brake, because each and every caster wheel has a brake option. You have to make sure you engage the brake on all four sides. Okay, as soon as you do so, you'll feel that the trolley does not move, it's stable. Okay, the next thing that you do is, using this lever, you need to be able to adjust based on the level of your mortuary cabinet. Either it's a 3-tier or a 6-tier, you need to be able to adjust it accordingly. So I'll assume that I need to lift it a little bit up. There's a lever on the jack which I need to put in an up position, and the next thing I do, I have to lift it up using the handle. It's not heavy, it's quite easy to use. You can use it with one hand. As soon as I reach the level of a mortuary cabinet, I'll have my mortuary cabinet open, and then I'll be able to unhook and then slide it forward so that I can slide the body in. And then as soon as I have the body on the tray, I can push it back and secure it. As soon as I've done so, the next thing I do, I have to lower my jack all the way down for safety purposes, so that I will be able to move my hydraulic trolley easily. So I'll change the level to the down position, and then using the handle, I'll slide it down. And then you have to make sure that you slide it all the way down. As soon as you have done so, now you can release the brake on each and every corner of the caster wheels. Okay, after doing so, you'll be able to move your mortuary trolley wherever you want to move it. You can see it's movable. It can move in all the direction. It's very easy to use it. Okay, after moving your body tray to the next facility where you wanted to move the body, and then you have your body still on the mortuary trolley, the next thing you do, you have to break again all four sides of the caster wheels. As soon as you have done so, now you can put again the lever back to the up position, and then you can lift it, and it's quite stable as you move it because you have secured the caster wheels. They are in the brake position. And then as soon as you have done so, you can now remove the latch, and then you can remove your body and then put it whenever you want to put it to the next stage. And then as soon as you're done, you have to slide back the trolley, and as soon as you slide it back, you have to secure it again. You have to engage the latch, and then as soon as you've done so, before you move your body tray, you have to make sure you put it back in a down position because whenever you want to move the body tray, make sure it's all the way down. So I'll put my setting back again to down position, and then I'll use the lever to drop it. And as soon as it's down, what I will do, I'm gonna release the brakes. Okay, and then as soon as I've done so, I'll be able to move again my mortuary trolley around the mortuary facility. So you must make it's so easy to move it, and you must make sure that you use all the safety precaution, and then you just have to move it back into storage, or if you have another body that you want to move, you just have to do the same process again. So if you need any information or if you need help, you can always contact the Minus40 team. Will be gladly and assist you.